In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $50 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FYZS P18 Pro Motor Drone. The FYZS P18 Pro is a versatile electric drone designed for aerial photography and equipped with advanced features suitable for operators of all skill levels, from beginners to experts. Weighing just 300 g, this drone boasts a flight time of 20 to 30 minutes and can be controlled from a distance of up to 3000 m. It features a fixed camera mount capable of capturing stunning 1080p FHD and 8K UHD video resolutions, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The drone comes with a brushless motor for smooth operation and has a suite of functionalities including GPS, obstacle avoidance, auto return, and a follow me mode. The package includes the drone itself, batteries, a remote controller, USB cable, and operating instructions, with a charging time of approximately 60 minutes. Designed with a user-friendly interface and app control, the P18 Pro is ready to go straight out of the box and is suitable for anyone aged 14 and older. Number 2. RG700 PRO GPS Drone. The RG700 PRO is an electric drone designed for both indoor and outdoor use, weighing 201 grams and powered by a lithium battery. It features an impressive flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and a remote control range of up to 2000 meters. Equipped with a brushless motor and a variety of advanced features, including GPS, obstacle avoidance, and a built-in camera capable of capturing video in resolutions up to 8K UHD, this drone caters to users of all skill levels from beginner to expert. Additional functionalities include app control, auto return, and a follow me mode, making it suitable for aerial photography. The drone is easy to charge via a USB plug, requiring about 120 minutes to fully charge from a 7.4V 1600 mAh source. Despite its high-end capabilities, the RG700 PRO is classified as a ready-to-go model, requiring no assembly, and comes with the original packaging. It has a CE certification and is recommended for users aged 14 and above. Number 3. S138 RC Drone. The Rody drone is a versatile and user-friendly aerial device designed for both indoor and outdoor use, weighing 250 g and featuring a takeoff weight range of 0-250 g. It operates on a lithium battery, providing a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes, with a remote control distance of up to 120 meters. The drone captures high-quality video in multiple resolutions, including 4K UHD, 1080p FHD, and 720p HD, making it suitable for aerial photography. It is equipped with advanced features such as GPS, obstacle avoidance, and app control, making it ideal for beginners. The package includes a camera, batteries, a remote controller, a charger, a USB cable, and operating instructions. Constructed from plastic and powered by a brushless motor, the drone is ready to go right out of the box and is recommended for users aged 6 and up. Number 4. Xiaomi V162 Drone. The Xiaomi camera drone is a lightweight aerial device designed for high-quality photography and videography, weighing just 124 g with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kilogram. It operates effectively within a temperature range of 0 to 40 degrees Celsius and features a 2.4 GHz operating frequency for optimal remote control, with a range of up to 200 meters. This drone is equipped with a 6.0-inch sensor that supports video recording in resolutions up to 4K, along with 1080p and 720p HD options, making it suitable for a variety of aerial photography needs. It has a maximum flight time of 15 to 18 minutes, and a maximum horizontal speed of approximately 166.67 meters per second. Notably, it includes a removable and replaceable 2000 mAh battery, weighing 30 g, ensuring ease of replacement during usage. While the drone does not feature an aerosol spraying system, it does come with GPS capabilities and operates on 4 control channels, facilitating stable and precise flight operation. The device meets CE certification standards, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Number 5. M2 Pro 4K Drone. The 4D M2 PRO drone, manufactured by Xingyu, is a versatile and user-friendly aerial device designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing approximately 90 g with a total takeoff weight of about 115 g, this lightweight drone features a lithium battery and boasts a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes, depending on conditions. It offers impressive video capture resolutions, including 4K UHD, 6K UHD, and 8K UHD, making it suitable for high-quality aerial photography. The drone is equipped with advanced features such as GPS, obstacle avoidance, FPV capabilities, and app control, enhancing its functionality for users ranging from beginners to intermediates. It supports various battery configurations for extended use, has a remote control distance of 1000 m, and comes assembled with a fixed camera mount. With a charging time of about 100 minutes, it includes essential accessories like batteries, a remote controller, and a USB cable, ideal for users aged 14 and above. Users are advised to read the instruction manual carefully before operation.